If you got a pile of stuff that needs a home, then this storage cube might be your solution. It comes in a variety of colors, and as a flat pack, it's ridiculously easy to assemble. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to assemble it right here on my kitchen. Start with the one side panel. Place it face down. That's the side with the cover strip. Make sure that the backboard slot is on top. It should be by your hand. Now secure the top, bottom, and shelf panels with the screws provided. Remember, the front face with the cover strip must always be facing down. Now slide into the backboard slots. Make sure that the color side is facing down. Carefully line up the side panels and secure it with the screws provided. And that's it. All that's left to do is now to take these little stickers and stick them over the screws to disguise them. Just make sure you align the grain of the sticker with the panel to make it look a bit more natural. Now you can home your pile of stuff in your new storage cube, keeping your workspaces neat and tidy. For more storage solutions like this, visit the Builders website. And for more how-to videos, follow the YouTube channel. Get to Builders, get it done.